happening, guys? I'm sure you know the nose. Welcome to the third episode of Tech Talk with Experts. Today we are attending the Star AI event organized by Microsoft Developers Community. The event is over. We are at KIT TBI. So the last time we had the two mavericks of MSDC, Jayant Rajwani and Tadit Das. So this time I thought, why not interview the ladies of MSDC? So today we have with us Neha Mam. So the first question is always same. Neha Mam, do tell us something about yourself.
Okay, I'm Neha Ambasta. I'm working as a full stack developer at Mindful Solutions, and of course, I'm a member of Microsoft Developers Community and Google Developers Community also. Apart from things that I do in office, I love learning new things. Like right now, I'm learning INIC 2, and simultaneously, I'm working on Azure machine learning also. So, like these things, I love technologies. Okay, this much.
All right. So today you had a session about Azure, and also in the Google Dev Fest, you had an event related to Ionic. So how do you find yourself indulged in such kind of technologies?
As I attend events like today, as we had a Star.ai event.
Yes.
So simultaneously, I sometimes attend events of GDG and Microsoft Developers Community also. So when I find when I go through these events, I find myself like there is something missing which I should learn so that I can showcase my skills over there. So for that I search and I get stuff and then I start working on it.
So you believe in the prophecy of learning while growing?
Yeah.
All right. So we have seen recently that girls or women do not find themselves much interested in participating in such kind of community activities. They are neither contributing, neither participating. So what do you think should be done in order to increase their participation?
My experience is like a few days back we had a hackathon in the Dev Fest.
Yes.
I saw that a girl was awarded as, I guess,
she was the winner of the hackathon.
Yeah. So from that, girls should learn that they don't lack anything. Whatever we are lacking, we should cover it up. There will not come a time that you will start. Whenever you think, you should learn and you should go on.
Okay.
There is nothing like girls can't do it and anything. Whenever you want to learn, you can do it.
That's right. That's absolutely right. So let's play a bit of rapid fire round. We have 3 questions.
Yeah.
The first one is, you thought about Azure today.
Yeah.
What was the former name of Microsoft Azure?
Windows Azure.
That's right. Okay, so you said the first answer, right? The second question is, what kind of service does Windows Azure provide? What kind of service it is?
It is a platform as a service.
About right. Now the final question, what is Google's answer to Windows Azure or Microsoft Azure?
I guess Google App Engine.
Bang on, you have answered all the 3 questions correctly. So, thank you Neha Mam for joining us.
Yeah.
Now that you are here, we hope to see the more of you. Thanks once again.
Thank you.
Alright, so it's time for the second interview today. Now we are with Pooja Mahtha, the sweetest speaker of MSTC. So, as usual, the first question is common. Pooja Mam, tell us something about yourself.
Okay, hi, I'm Pooja Mahtha and I'm a full stack developer at Mindful Solutions and I'm a web developer. Apart from that, I like to travel, I like to cook and I like to...
Take selfies.
Wait, yeah. Okay, yes, I am a selfie freak of course, but apart from everything else, I love to code and I love the work that I do, that is coding and technology. That inspires me a lot.
So a multitasker you are, only that you don't do all things simultaneously.
Yes.
Alright, so you are a web developer. That means HTML, CSS, JavaScript are your
HTML, CSS,
toys,
JavaScript,
and web
jQuery.
browser, yeah, you can keep saying the names, and web browser is your playground.
Yes.
So how did you find yourself interested in learning all these languages?
When I was in college, of course, computer science was my branch paper. So actually, the subjects have nothing to do with the work that I am doing right now. They are a little bit connected.
Okay.
So when I was in the 4th year, I was doing my college project, and there's where I started to get acquainted to these things which I am currently working on, like HTML, CSS, and actually I like that working, and that inspired me to take it as a career.
Alright, I see. So you have made a foundation of your, right. Okay, so it's time we played a rapid fire round, but before we go on to that, I will ask the same question that I asked to Neha Mam. women these days are not at all interested. I won't say all women, but majority of them do not find themselves interested in participating in community activities. So what would you like to suggest in order for them to increase their interest and their participation?
Okay, community activities, yes, they are a little behind, but they will buck up soon.
Okay.
It's not that they are not interested, they just need a little bit more exposure.
All right.
So women are interested. There are girls in our company and in technology.
So it's time for the rapid fire round. First question: who is the father of STM?
Tim Bernally.
That's right. Okay. So now that you have invested most of your time in JavaScript and all those languages, I would like to ask you this one: if HTML is the structure of a building, what is CSS?
Paint.
That's right. How do you just assume? You just assume.
Okay, I can give a more funnier answer. They say that you take a normal photo of a girl and that is HTML, and then you edit it and that is CSS. The makeup is the CSS.
That's right. Okay. Spot on. All right. So the last question is, which is the most famous non-Java based scripting language?
Everyone knows it. That's JavaScript.
I thought only I knew. Okay, fine. Thank you, Pooja Mam, for answering all the questions nicely.
It's a great pleasure to be a part of
All right. We are also truly honored by your presence. So we hope to see the more of you. Thanks for coming.